Local sport is really important to the community of Camden. It's a community that prides itself on its sporting prowess. Well, Camden Rugby Club has been functioning since 1980s. It's quite an iconic clubhouse, as you can see, made to look like a wool shed arrangement, and we're very proud of the clubhouse and we're very proud of our grounds. We've been focused on sustainability for some time now, and that was the impetus for us to consider other forms of sustainable utilities. Through the AGL community grant program, we applied for funding to put a solar panel system on our new facility shed down the back. We were fortunate enough to get that grant and receive a grant of $4,650, and we're generating about 50 kilowatts per day, which is quite excellent as far as we're concerned, because the money we save on utilities can be ploughed then directly back into the kids and the senior players.